Hello. Hello, dears. All right. Now, I think everybody kind of knows this trick. So it's not really nothing special. But there may be somebody out there in the wild blue yonder that doesn't know how to doctor up a can of baked beans. Let me show you. First, I gotta get my stuff up here. Hang on. I always think I got everything, and then I don't have everything. Huh, honey? Are you sexy, man? Are you sexy, boy? There's that other pack of zippy ties. The big ones. I'll tell you what. When you're doing when you're a homesteader, which I consider myself barely, honey, zip ties are your best friend. Okay, first thing. Hold on, let's back this up a little bit. Okay. I've got 1 can of just Kroger baked beans. There's nothing special about these beans, okay? I've got them in a stainless steel skillet. I've got an oven on 350 degrees. Now, normally I would lay strips of bacon across the top of this, but unfortunately I don't have any thawed out. So, we're going to do, hang on. Oh, Lord. Here we go. Alright. We're going to start off with some dried minced onion. Or you can chop up some real onion and put in there. I don't care. It's just what I did. Okay. Black pepper. This is one of those recipes that I don't put any garlic powder in. Don't ask me why, I just don't. This is barbecue sauce from Kingston's Select mild barbecue sauce. This company sent me some of their barbecue sauce to try. There's this one and there's a ghost pepper. We have tried it on, I can't remember, it was barbecue chicken or something the other day. It is a very good sauce. Flavor wise, it's tasty. Now, if you're used to it's got a very tomatoey base. It is a thinner sauce, so this is not a thick like a Sweet Baby Ray's sauce. But it has a very good flavor to it. So if you're into the thinner sauces, if you are using this like I'm using it today for something to add a little flavor to something, very good. A little yellow mustard or spicy brown mustard. Doesn't matter. You do you, boo. And I never measure this. I just put brown sugar in them. A little bit. Okay. Like so. Now we're going to take all that. We'll mix it all together until we've got it all combined. We're going to just stick it in the oven. Okay? And we're going to let this bake like this. And there's a lot of sugar in here, right? Now that we've added some, and it was already sweet to begin with. But we're going to let this cook. I like it until it gets real thick. Like caramelization happens. I love it. And it gets a little crust on the top of it. But you do what you want to do. Like I said, normally I lay me some strips of bacon across the top of it and let those cook right along with it, but I don't have any thawed out. So we're going to go with this right here, uncovered, in the oven at 350. And I'll just have to see how much time it takes. So I've never really measured the timing on it. I'll let you know. I love y'all. Bye.